Tesla's Low Power Mode, or LPM, is a software feature designed to minimize battery drain when your vehicle is parked or idle. It disables non-essential systems like climate control, infotainment, and auxiliary power outlets to conserve energy. By reducing power draw to under 5 watts in some models, LPM allows Teslas to retain up to 90% charge over extended periods without needing to plug in. It's enabled by default in most regions for Model S, 3, X, Y, and Cybertruck, helping combat vampire drain, the passive power loss while parked. The primary benefit of low power mode is battery conservation. It's crucial for long-term parking situations like airport trips, vacations, or storing your Tesla for the winter. By significantly reducing energy consumption, LPM prevents your battery from depleting, ensuring your car is ready to go when you return. Studies show low power mode users save an average of 0.5 to 1% battery per day. Additionally, in areas with high electricity costs such as 18 cents per kilowatt hour, LPM can translate to noticeable cost savings over time. Tesla vehicles do not have a dedicated physical button for low power mode. Instead, you enable it by managing specific settings. To disable Sentry Mode using the vehicle's touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Safety and Security, and finally Sentry Mode. Turn it off to reduce power consumption. You can also disable Sentry Mode remotely through the Tesla mobile app. This allows you to manage settings without being near the vehicle. Once Sentry Mode is disabled, and you avoid enabling other power-intensive features, the vehicle automatically transitions into a low-power sleep state, minimizing battery drain. To further reduce vampire drain, consider turning off cabin overheat protection. Access this setting and choose Off or No AC to conserve energy. Also, disable Scheduled Departure to prevent automatic preheating and charging, which can drain the battery when not needed. Real-world examples demonstrate low power mode's effectiveness in various scenarios. Consider a Model Y owner who parked their vehicle for 3 months with low power mode enabled and Sentry Mode disabled. The battery retained an impressive 85% charge, showcasing LPM's ability to minimize power consumption during extended parking periods. In contrast, another Tesla owner who left Sentry Mode active without enabling low power mode experienced a 40% drop in battery charge over the same 3-month period, highlighting the significant energy savings achieved by properly configuring these features. Commercial fleets utilizing Tesla electric vans have seen low power mode reduce idle power consumption by 25%, effectively extending vehicle range during urban delivery operations and improving overall operational efficiency. Even in extreme cold conditions, such as in Alaska, low power mode has proven valuable for maintaining battery health during winter storage. Vehicles equipped with LPM retain significantly more charge compared to older Tesla models without this feature, preventing unnecessary battery depletion in harsh environments. To maximize battery savings while your Tesla is parked, follow these practical tips. First, park in shaded areas to keep the cabin cooler and reduce the need for climate control, potentially saving 10 to 15% on battery drain. Second, avoid frequently checking the Tesla app, as remote wake-ups can consume 0.5 to 1% battery per day. Limit checks to essential times only. Third, if possible, plug in your Tesla to a low-voltage 120-volt charger. This offsets any minor battery drain and helps maintain charge levels. Finally, keep your tires properly inflated. This reduces rolling resistance when you drive, improving overall efficiency and battery life. Tesla's energy management is constantly evolving. Future updates may include AI-driven predictive LPM, anticipating parking duration based on user habits to optimize energy saving. There's also potential for a broader energy mode that integrates with home solar setups for zero-net energy vehicles. Advancements in battery tech, like solid-state batteries, could reduce the need for frequent charging altogether. The integration of LPM with vehicle-to-grid (V2G) systems could also allow parked Teslas to supply power back to the grid during outages. These innovations represent the future of Tesla's energy management. Some users worry that disabling Sentry Mode compromises vehicle security. While Sentry Mode offers added protection, LPM helps to preserve battery life when security is not paramount, like parking at home. It's a trade-off between security and energy conservation, and it's up to the user to decide. Always assess the parking environment and your security needs before enabling LPM. Also, using scheduled charging and preconditioning features wisely avoids unnecessary battery usage, thereby complementing LPM usage.